Hello dear friends, welcome to another episode with me, I'm Linggi. In today's episode, we will learn about how to greet someone in mishmi language. There are many other ways to greet someone in mishmi, okay? But if you wish to learn, you have to watch this video till the end, okay? Alright? So, Nuhanogi means where did you go? No hano gi. No hano gi. No hano gi. Which means where did you go? Try once again. No hano gi. Where did you go? No hano bawa. No hano bawa. No hano bawa. Which means where are you going? Where are you going? No hano bawa. Where are you going? No hano bawa. No rowing bawa. No rowing bawa. Which means are you going to rowing? Are you going to rowing? No rowing bawa. No rowing bawa. No rowing bawa. No esoya eji. No esoya eji, which means what are you doing? No esoya eji. No esoya eji. Try once more. No esoya eji. Prapo. Prapo, which means is everything alright, or is everything's okay, or how are you? For these sentences you can use prapo in formal or in simple way of asking how are you. Prapo. 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 Prapo, which means are you okay? Is everything alright? How are you? Chipre nava. Chipre nava, which means safe journey. Safe journey. You would say Chipre nava. Chipre nava. Chipre nava. Okay, try once again with me. Chipre nava. Chipre nava. Chipre nava. Pra ane iga. Pra ane iga, which means welcome. Okay, welcome. So pra ane iga. Pra ane iga, which means welcome. Try once more. Pra ane iga. 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 So that is for today. In next tutorial we will learn more about Ido-Mishmi language. So I'll be making more interesting videos for you people, those who are interested to learn our own language. Okay, and thanks for watching, and share with your friends, share with your dear one. They can learn a lot of things from this video.